This ain't gonna last long.
Huh?
I said this ain't gonna last long.
How do you know? I am the one gonna sit there, so it will last. My ass is not that heavy.
No, but the tummy is.
It's not like I'm gonna use my tummy to sit. I'm gonna use my eyes, John.
She's picking your nose. She's doing it. You can't see that shit on camera, but I can.
We're taking this video and then the house is just such a mess. We got the shoes in there, shoes over there, and my coins that I'm saving for Christmas.
That's my Christmas gift. We're going to the dollar store.
Yep, that's gonna put for $1.
Get a half an apple. Coach getting for the full dollar for a whole apple.
Okay, subscriber, you're gonna see how messy my house is, our house is, but it's okay.
Don't blame me.
Yep.
I just live here.
You don't do anything, just live here. You wake up in the morning,
I wake up.
take a shower, eat, and don't do anything.
And on Tuesdays and Thursdays I take shit.
Okay, so
Tiny.
it's because I'm tiny. That's exactly for my height. Because I am not that to a Filipino size. I'm a little bit bigger, but in American, I'm kind of small or medium. Yeah, hope I be extra small.
9.
Except the tummy. Cool, like it? Beautiful. Now I'm happy. I got my office chair. Now we're gonna carry it upstairs. And put it together. Oh, there it is. Bye.
Adidas. Oh my gosh.
New chair. Perfect for my office. Now I have my chair and I do editing my videos. That's for my laptop. And I have a separate chair for my makeup.